There's Murphy. That's Murphy. He's got the little fox. Bring it here. Oh my goodness. You get my feet? There's Giselle's other boy, and there's Decker on my lap. Murphy. Giselle's. Murphy really likes this fox. We're going to have to send it home with him. Oh, what was that? Oh yes, you get Growly. What are you doing? Here's Decker, right here on my lap still. Murphy. Murphy. You little smarty butt.